Artie, you're doing nitrogen. How many protons does nitrogen have?
7.
Very good. Therefore, how many electrons will it have?
7.
Good. So now what we do is this model, show me how you put the electrons. Okay, and that's in what? How?
1s.
And how many does 1s have?
2.
Good. Go to the next one.
2s also gets 2.
How many electrons have you now assigned?
4.
Good. Okay. And then now.
Each of these get 1.
And so we have how many?
7.
7 assigned. So how many total are in 2p?
7. No, wait, shoot. 5.
The second energy level has 5. How many are in 2p?
Oh, 2p.
1 in 2px, 1 in 2py, 1 in 2p.
3.
Well done. So the configuration is, tell me again what the configuration is. And it's 2p. So it's, tell me the configuration again. Look at this. It's going to be what?
1s has
1s2.
1s2 has 2.
2s2.
2s2 has 2. 2px has 1. 2py has 1. And 2pz has 1.
For a total of 2p3.